guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm the Meet Sani and right now I'm going for my farewell. And farewell का notice भी हमें आया था like just 4 days ago. So सब कुछ बहुत जल्दी में हुआ है. Like जो सोचा था वो तो नहीं हुआ but कुछ ना कुछ करके कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही गया. So I've just got my nails done. You know, and I'm just gonna get ready and do my makeup. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, I live by this. Anytime I'm not just thinking to go much like I'm going for a smoky eye, but let's just not do much. First we're gonna use ELF ASMR, full ASMR. See how beautiful my skin looks right now. मैं जितनी भी जल्दी उठ जाऊँ ना, लेट मैं हो ही जाती हूँ. I'm still late. अगर मुझे 3 घंटे पहले भी उठ जाऊँ ना, तब भी मैं कैसे ना कैसे करके लेट हो ही जाऊँगी. That's how it works. Just use a concealer. It's K Beauty. It's good to set base with a setting powder. So beautiful. It's very difficult for me to stand and we just use a base color right now. By the way, I'm just using the concealer brush. I'm going to just use the other brown medium. Just on the edges. Like my saree is like greyish color with like stone blouse. सब कुछ जुगाड़ हुआ है, कुछ भी अभी नहीं हो पाया था last. Now we're gonna use a fluffy brush. Okay, go with the white. Let's just add a brown. I don't know. I will just ask Mama कि eyeliner लगाऊँ कि नहीं. Because I feel like daytime के हिसाब से कहीं कुछ ज़्यादा ना हो जाए. New brush and use highlighting effect. Nightmare for makeup artists. I'm not a makeup artist, so don't judge. This is how I like to do my stuff. I use Marska Kajal on the upper. Do like थोड़ा सा smoky touch with like doll eyes. But this pretty nails, cream or white? I guess we should go for white. I don't know कौन फ़ोन कर रहा होगा कौन नहीं कर रहा होगा. मैंने अपना फ़ोन DND पे डाल दिया कि कोई मुझे मेकअप करते हुए डिस्टर्ब ना. सस्ता. Just gonna color correct my acne. gonna use the foundation ki jagah this concealer because it's high coverage and we need that. Yes, I'm just using too much product right now. See, such a good mascara, good concealer. This concealer to upper lid. Blush blindness or whatever, but I just love it this way only. I'm just gonna use Fit Me and then we will bake our face. I just bake my face with this only, like not a proper baking, but I just love to do. This is a baking brush, but I just use it as a blush. Still not covered fully. That's how it can go. Swiss Beauty cover, Kunti cover. Irresistible. This is sick. Let it dry. I just need a Japanese fan, to be honest. I feel like I just did a decent job. Both are my favorites. I guess I'm just gonna do दोनों को साथ में. So pretty now. Oh my god. The consistency is to die for. Like this golden sparkle one over here. Multi-use, you know. I just used a nude pencil to highlight. I have so many highlighters and blushes, but still I use this one. Let me know how to थोड़ा सा blush काम करती तो सब बढ़िया। भर भर के blush लगाओ, सारा blush खत्म कर दो। Music.
Huh?
Let me just do a close up with you guys. See. Just like 4 hours and look at the eye blood vessels. This is how I look. Let me know how I am looking. This is what I'm wearing. In the comment section. So I will meet you in the next vlog. Oh, I'm just gonna top it off. Bye.